Yeah, this park right here is normally clear. All the trees are down. It was nice. It was 80-mile-an-hour winds. This is what was left over from Hurricane Ike. Let's walk along the path here. I'm gonna cut this short here in a minute. If ever anybody wants to see the pictures, the still photos, they can go to my MySpace page. Just when you go to browse, look for friends, type in the whitetail, all one word, sniper, S-N-I-P-E-R. Check out my photos. This will be in the album Windstorm 2008. This is Owensboro, Kentucky at Legion Park.